Ready, babe? We're playing luggage shuffleboard now. All right, now we just need to find Jackson. All right, Lizardo, what do you got?
This one's good.
Yeah?
So fresh and so clean.
Yeah, fresh is fresh.
Yeah, it does.
All right, got ourselves.
Oh, there's a big stain on the seat.
No. Damn.
It's like a bird poo. No, my bad.
All right, better?
Yes.
Let's get in it.
Let's get in.
We got a black one now. I wasn't down with the silver.
No, I wouldn't like it. I didn't like the big bird turd.
Yeah, no bird turds in this one.
Nope.
All right.
It's this turd.
All right, we have your Royal Highness's match luggage.
It matches everything.
Anything? Anyone? Come on. Do you? What's it from?
What the hell is all that?
It's Her Royal Highness's matched luggage.
What?
Her Royal Highness's matched luggage.
Baseball.
There you go, girl. Jackson. Jackson.
Oh, dude, there's something going on with the song.
This song sucks.
What is this?
All right, so we made it to South Haven, which is the town Gingerman Raceway is at, which is Gridlife, the biggest Gridlife festival of the year, like 12:30 in the morning. We're gonna pick this back up tomorrow.
Session is up next.
Yeah, you heard him. Drift is up next, and we're here. We got our setup in the NOS Energy drink pit area. What up, dog? How are you, man? What up, dog? Yeah. What up, dudes? Yeah, it's an awesome vibe. It's an awesome time. You know, Gridlife. This is it. 2024 Gingerman. It is my favorite event of the year. Just want to make sure everything's good on the car. We're gonna take a quick peek at everything, and we're out on track in 15 minutes. Yeah, you got the big hot rod out.
Yeah, it's a little much for here, but fun.
No. It's basically exactly this car, but with probably 300 more horsepower.
Yeah, exactly, right now, probably about that.
Yeah, so we're pushing about 500 wheel. He's pushing about what, 800 wheel?
Probably 850 right now.
All right, 350, fine. But yeah, it'll be cool. The cars otherwise should be set up pretty similarly, so we're just gonna have to dial you back. I'll probably go out front. I'll probably leave.
Yeah, that's fine, you know.
Yeah, we'll switch it. We'll see how she's doing.
I get to chase Chris the horse.
Yeah.
He's sailing the seas out there for you.
All right, slow guy out front. Finished up our first session in the car. Car's looking good. Victoria, how's it going so far?
So freaking good, dude.
Yeah.
My favorite event all year.
Right? Getting some sick shots with new wrap on our Demo Z. So we're out here pitting with an NOS Energy drink team. So it's pretty rad. We have you know, this awesome footprint right here on the front straight. Great view of the track. And yeah, this thing is looking freaking sweet.
Before you start, bro,
Before I
turn
start?
that mic on.
Oh, dude, the mic is ripping. Believe me, it's ripping. I know exactly what to look for now.
Oh, yeah, dude.
Yeah, no,
Glad we get to hang out again.
Yeah,
dude.
this
Look
is
at the
sick.
shop. Look at the shop.
Look at this little pop-up shop. I love it, man.
Yeah.
You got a little toolbox, little checkout counter over here.
Exactly, dude. Got
Yeah, man.
stickers, the money box, you know, chargers.
Yeah,
It's good, dude.
No, this is rad, dude. I love it. But yeah, let's check out your car, dude. I haven't seen this thing in forever.
Let's do it, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is the old Pro car. So basically with this thing, man, like I use it as a little canvas to just keep creating, but it's the same chassis, right? So
Yeah,
like,
dude.
I put like freaking 12 new liveries on it.
Yeah.
Everyone thinks, oh, you got a new car, just a new livery.
This was a chassis that I helped you with, right?
Exactly,
Dude,
dude.
yeah, when I first started working with Nate, me and Ryan Clemens whipped this chassis up together. Yeah, did like the kind of like the cage and like the chassis prep, and then I think you took it from there. I can't exactly remember all the details, but yeah, just trying to get that thing. God, we're talking. Oh God, I'm like dating myself again. 2011.
2011.
2011.
This
yeah.
one debuted in Formula Drift 2013.
Wow. Oh my God, it's like it still looks solid, right? As in like, you know, the design, like it's still a good design. you know, right? Not bad. This is like, yeah, that's how you know it's old school, dude. The big
Look how
gussets.
far off it is,
It's the big gussets, dude.
Insane. Yeah, no, she's still ripping, dude. I mean, you know, new angle kits, new like whatever, right? It's like suspension stuff, but same chassis, no differences. Didn't cut anything out of it. The back end's been wrecked like 12 times. The frame's bent.
Oh god, of course, dude, because it's a freaking 13-year-old drift car.
Yeah, dude.
What do you expect? And what do you got in here? You went back to NA, right?
Yeah, so we had the turbo setup in it. I wanted to create a package that basically you and your dad could put in and just get as many laps as possible. So we deleted the turbo. So it's the 13-to-1, basically LSX bottom end on LS3 heads. And it did like 600 horsepower in a, that's it, super simple.
At the engine or at the wheels?
At the wheels.
Wow.
We did 630, like, to the wheel though.
Yeah, that's proper. Yeah.
Yeah, not bad. But yeah, you can see like FDF stuff, BC stuff. So like, you know. But look at this. Nice little pinch. Dude.
Oh, brother,
No
she's still
big
straight.
deal, dude.
Yeah, that's
Struts out.
fine.
Look how many, like,
It's
different
okay.
Color, different color, you know.
Yeah, it's fine, dude. It's fine. She's still ripping. We're gonna take her back out here shortly.
Yeah.
Yeah, what up, my man? Hurt.
Let's go, baby.
Dude, haven't seen you in a minute, dude.
So happy to see you.
Were you
doing
out on
it.
track?
I did. I'm
Yeah?
having a little issue where when I'm, you know, your boy likes to lay into it. I think my fuel pump, my in-tank fuel pump isn't keeping up with the surge. So after a long flog, it starts to like, I don't like this.
You gotta let it fill back up. Yeah, I've seen it like once or twice, but I feel like you just redid it like nicely. So yeah, dude. This thing's making how much now?
500 on 14 pounds with some BP in it.
Nice.
It does the job.
Very cool.
Honestly, dude.
I mean, that's where I'm at. I'm at 500 on mine.
It's a bone stock engine.
That's so cool.
Unopen,
That's so
junkyard.
cool.
Throw some boost at it and some ethanol and she eats, man.
Dude, it's such a cool setup. It's like the new SR.
I mean, the SR guys don't like to hear that.
Hey, I mean, newer. I'm not saying to replace.
How much is an SR now?
Oh, dude, a lot.
Dude,
a lot. I got one sitting on my shelf. I don't even know what to do with it. I don't want to run it or sell it.
Gold plate it and leave it up there, you know?
I know, it's like a treasure
They're
chest
awesome
now.
motors. I love SRs.
I do too. Yeah, the sound is great.
If you're
But
trying to build a budget 500 horsepower,
Yeah.
SR's not. There's no budget about it.
No,
you know?
no. But yeah, no, I'm stoked that you got this thing back together and back out and running. So yeah, man, I'll try and find you out there next time.
Baby.
Yeah,
Good to
bud.
see you, man.
You too, bud. You too. Nate's in the car with a helmet on.
What are you doing, dude? We got like 9 minutes.
we got like 9 minutes. 9 minutes.
Yeah, let's do this.
This guy's early though, man. He's ready for it. Dog. Very nice recovery. It fell out of gear.
That's what I heard, like, and I'm like,
Yeah, I'm in third.
So I just like,
I go up, do the kick, flick back this way, like little e-brake, set it. No. I was like, like punched it in.
Yeah.
And I think the punch-in saved it from being a little worse. I was like, God damn it, yeah. I have like barely a scuff. You have nothing.
Yeah, I was like, I must have like just grazed a little bit with my front wheel.
Yeah,
like
just
a little
the tire.
smudge you can see on the one spoke, but it's fine. So.
Yeah, man. All right. You want to do that again, but for real this time?
Yeah.
Yeah. I turn it back on. Out there. Look at it. Covered in crap.
White suits.
White suit problem.
Well, we're in the middle of the drift, probably doing 80, 90 miles an hour. And they're just like, yeah, pop down. Let me drop a gear and e-brake. We're good to go.
In the middle of our run, we flipped in, and I'm like, hey, what's up?
We're like mid-corner. It's too comfortable. We're mid-corner, like, but he just starts grabbing me.
Because it's like the least that you expect. Like, they're looking at the windows all of a sudden, someone just starts like.
Oh, gotcha, man. Appreciate it.
Thanks, buddy. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, that's the end of our sessions. I'm freaking pumped. This thing is ripping and kicking ass. Boys are putting some fresh tires on there. We're trying out these HPYs. So we're doing a different tire, a little bigger tire, 265, but it's a little bit harder. We're getting a lot more life out of them, which is rad. So a little less work for these guys, a little less tires chooched up from GT Radial. So yeah, all is good, man. All is good. And Cam's here.
I'm here.
Yeah, bud. Yeah. Got the whole crew here. So we're pumped, feeling good. Car's ripping. Day one done. We got a lot of ride-alongs done, so everybody's stoked up. Carlos, you got a good spit shine on her.
Yeah.
I was waiting until you're done. I didn't want to blow you up. Trying to get around, just complaining about being delayed.
Yeah.
This thing's ripping though?
Dude, this thing, we just beat it mercilessly and it just loves it. I don't know how it keeps running, but it just loves it.
You like these tires better? You like those HPYs better?
I think that these ones, I think they're a little bit more similar to the FD tires, so I feel like it kind of has that like instant forward that I like and a little bit more side. But I will say the HPYs lasting longer is probably worth its weight in gold.
Dude, they last forever.
How many laps do you think?
Maybe like 6. Like,
Depends on how medium it is.
yeah, it depends how heated you're getting.
Yeah, right.
Towards the end of the day, I was doing like the ride-alongs and just doing the 7/8 flyer. It's pretty fun.
What's the 7? What is that?
Like you just roll out of the start and just mob the course.
Oh, the entire thing.
And then just come straight in. So you do skip the front straight.
Yeah.
You know, which I miss, literally and figuratively.
Yes.
Yeah, that's the best. I don't even know if that's a turn, but 1, 2, after 3, the kink to the left.
Oh, dude.
Just like, yeah,
Top of
grab 4th and just knock it.
Yeah, that's the best.
It's funny because it's almost, you're going so fast that you almost can't even throw the manji in. It's like the full brakes this way, the full, and like the slow rotation back, and then what the boom, back in 3rd. Hey! Freaking V8 guy! Freaking big V8 guys over here. Get a muffler!
Sorry, did we just vlog it?
Yeah, big muffler guys.
Well, we were.
Hi, bud. Dog, that's one. You know they roll, right? I get it.
I've heard if you don't
We don't need
use
to
it,
roll them. We're swallowing them, brother.
if you don't use it, you lose it.
I have heard that. Sorry. You got the wild ride. Oh, yeah, what'd you do?
What did you do?
No, what did you do? What did you do? Looks like when you were going to change that tire, you broke my bumper. Yeah, so all 4 wheel studs broke, or 5. All 5 broke. Wheel popped off. You know, popped the fender on its way out, but it's all still 100% intact. Everything's good on it. Just you know, bolting it back on. Fresh wheel studs back in there, and good to go. So just a mild level of embarrassment for having to get the toe off. Nobody wants to be towed off, but yeah, no, we're all good. Just spit it off and chewed up the rim a little bit. You know, chewed up that, but you know, 100%. Jackson. Wheels on.
It's on the ground.
Oh, look at that.
It looks like it has no lug nuts, but they're there.
Yeah, we have an odd combination of lug nuts and
we have
studs.
long stud with a short nut, then we have long nut with a short stud.
Why don't you put short nut with short
I don't
stud?
know. It makes a lot of sense now that I'm pointing it out, but I don't know.
It's all good. It's all the same engagement.
Yeah.
We took off the spacer, so now the rim, which Rotiform built these rims for us to actually be hub-centric to the Nissan hub. So the center board is the actual Nissan hub. You can see now we have full engagement here, right? When we had the spacer, it moves the wheel out past the hub-centric center, therefore it's just riding on the lug nuts. Now all the load is through the hub-centric, and we are on the lugs, as the lugs are more of a locating factor, not all the load. Just one of those freak fluke things, you know, the Asian stud, the load on the car, we're cooking into turn one. Sometimes a little dirt drop going 120 miles an hour, so all the loads on the front left, so combination of things. The silver lining to all of this is that the wheel, when it let go, we're going like 25 miles an hour. It was right into turn two, so all good, fixed up, and we'll probably just go through and give everything a good cycle on the wheel studs, and I'm probably gonna find some better wheel spacers that have that hub-centric locking, even on the slap-ons, so. And we got out there finally.
That was sick.
I know, finally found you.
That was awesome. Yeah, it was cool. Like when we left, you know, from the grid, and he started drifting, I was like, ooh, that's a good like line.
Yeah.
And then he just kind of kept going. I was like, because I don't usually drift right away like that.
Yeah.
So it's cool to see you do that.
Yeah, well, I mean, when we're doing the rides, I'll usually just like whip it right out, and depending on how much time and how many rides, I'll do the 7/8 lap. And it's like the full pull is like exciting.
But they don't know what they don't know.
Yeah.
Right? So they just get in it.
I mean, the straight, some people don't want that.
Right.
Like I've had some people get very nervous, very scared about the speed.
Yeah.
Yeah, we actually had somebody tell me today, he's like, I was in a car accident recently, I don't want to go for a ride.
Whoa.
Like, yeah, like,
Whoa.
Yeah.
So how fast are you going down the straight?
Alex said that he's geared for 124, and he'll hit the chip when I'm not in front because his car's got a little more power. But if he's following me, he's like just below it, so it's probably like 115, 120.
That's awesome.
Yeah. Yeah! Brother, you are way too far away!
Sorry, sir.
Oh, there we go. That was good, that was better. Yeah.
You want whatever you want, boss.
We got some people up here, so maybe a little gap is good.
Hey,
Oi, oi!
wait.
Whoa! They're trying to rally us. You don't stop at the first rally.
Okay.
You gotta make them want it.
I'm gonna get educated.
Yeah. I'm gonna keep teaching you lessons,
I've
Victoria.
learned so much from you. Are you being a gentleman and blocking the wind from her? Wow.
This is not his first
Gentlemen, take notes.
This is not his first rodeo.
Wow. That's helped so much.
I know. You think this would be my first rodeo?
That was the most adorable thing I've ever seen in my life.
Yeah.
It's not dead.
We might be in the
It's not dead.
There we go. All right, bring her home on.